Welcome to NumCipherFinance channel, where you learn mental matrix for smart investing. In today's video, we will use one of the 100 plus techniques from the Investor's Quick Math Guidebook to solve a real world investing problem in seconds without a calculator. Let's dive in. So let's take this interesting example. What it says, 10% gain followed by 10% loss. Do you break even? It says, are you back to zero? Are you back to the original value? Right? So most investors says yes, but we'll try and understand, is it correct? Do you break even? What does it mean? Are you back to square one? So let's try and understand that. And again, this kind of a situation keeps coming all the time for real investors, right? So let me walk you through it step by step. So if you see step 1, so let's say you start with 100. So 100 with 10% gain become 110. And then step 2 is 110 is 10% loss. So 110 minus 10% of 110, which is 11. So this is how much? This is 99. So what has happened is your 100 became 110 with plus 10%, and then it became 99 with minus 10%. So your 100 has become 99. So your 100 has become 99 and not 100, which means not break even. So effectively you're losing 1 rupee. So right, so your loss is 1 rupee, $1 or 1 rupee. So you're not back to square one, you're not break even, you have a loss here, right? So this is the right way to look at the things, right? So this is just a small example to understand the tricks to do quick math and do it accurately. So what are some of the common mistakes one should avoid? Mistakes to avoid, one is adding percentages directly. 10 minus 10 is 0, and percentages compounds multiplicatively and not additively. So that's the biggest mistake. Then what is the investor's takeaway, right? So what is the takeaway? The biggest learning is that losses and gains not symmetric. So a 10% gain does not cancel a 10% loss. So this is the biggest learning, right, with this example. So there are hundreds of such interesting examples which really helps you to do a day-to-day investment calculations mentally without a calculator or an Excel sheet, all in your head within 10 seconds. Hope you like this video. Before you go, if this video helped you think faster about money, I have something that will take it even further. I have written a book, The Investor Quick Math Guide, a pocket book packed with 100 plus mental math shortcuts, specially for investors. No calculator needed, just pure fast thinking. And if you prefer learning on screen, I have got full video course on Udemy and YouTube and other channels, step by step with real examples, covering everything from the rule of 72, CAGR, SIP calculation, and lot more. The goal is simple: stronger math, stronger portfolio, stronger you. All the links for the books and the videos are available in the description below. If you found this useful, hit subscribe button so that you never miss a shortcut again. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.